Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So guys, today this is what we call Afro Roundcut. Can you see how it is now? So today I want you to watch this video very well. I don't want this video to be too long. Do you understand? A lot of people have been saying that I talk too much because I'm trying to explain in a way that everybody will understand, but they are saying that I'm talking too much. There is no problem. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want this video to be too long. Look at this hair very well. By now you should have know how to create the first guideline. Let me practicalize it so that those of us that just seen my channel for the first time will understand what we have been doing. But for those of us that have been watching my channel, someone commented that he had boys, but those guys are not coming early, so he was learning through this my channel. Now he's able to barb. That is what the kind of thing I want to be hearing. That is why when I'm talking, I know why I'm talking. I'll motivate you so that even that spirit, if the spirit is going, the spirit will come back. So as this hair is now, look at it, I've combed it thoroughly. That is the first thing you need to do. Nobody is an island, nobody knows it all. See, as you are watching it, if you see anything that I'm not doing well, please correct me. Don't forget to share this video, let other people to benefit from it. Like, comment anything. After watching, just comment anything. Do you understand? Comment anything and subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. So now, once you are done combing the hair thoroughly, you know, look at this hair. I'm the one that built this hair. Can you see it? This is what we call normal Afro Roundcut. Don't let customer to confuse you with the names. This is perfect Afro Roundcut. Then the dancer, you are going to create the guideline. Some persons don't want it, don't like it to be skin. Some persons don't like the first guideline to be skin. Some want it to be low cut. It's not everybody that likes it to be what? To be skin. So now, whether the person wants it to be skin or not, the first guideline must start from the ear edge. Like here, it will start from here, stop here, the first guideline. Then the second guideline is going to start from here and end here. It's not going to go too up. Then this last blending now is step one that will do the final one. The first guideline, if the person wants it to be skin, then you join the blade together. You join the blade together, bring the gear up, join it together. If the person wants it to be what? To be skin. But if the person does not want it to be skin, that he wants hair to be here, what you do is you put it on low cut, you bring the gear down, open it and create the first guideline. Make sure it stops here. Then the second guideline, since the person wants it to be low cut, you use step one. You use step one. Once you use step one, you put your step one, put it on skin. You carry the gear up, put it on skin, let it be on skin. Since the person does not want the down one to be skin, you put it on skin, then put it on your step one. Then after that, the third guideline, you are going to put it on low cut, still put it on your step one. Hope you are getting this step by step, what I'm explaining, right? Hope you are getting it. Because if you miss out here, you are going to spoil the hair. That's why I told us that this barbing, what you need to be focusing on is knowing the basics, knowing when to use normal blade, steps, and how to control it. Do you understand? That's why this channel is basically for theory and practical. So I'm telling us theory, I'm still going to do it in a practical way for us to understand it very well. Then the last one now, look at it now. This hair, the last blend, it does not have plenty hair. So you are going to make use of step one to blend it down. I didn't mean here now you are building it from the beginning. Maybe this hair here is the same thing that is here. Then you use your step two to create the shape, the Afro Roundcut shape. You use the step one, the step two to create it before making use of step one. Do you understand? If you understand what I just said, please give us a thumbs up. Comment, share. If you don't understand anything, comment what you don't understand, so that I will do what I will attend to it. Now we are done with the theory. Hope you got it right? Now let's dive into practical. This is HUC, High Universal Cut. So now, like I told us, make sure that you ask your customer what he wants. Don't do your own, don't do over sabi. Make sure you ask your customer what he wants. Like this one now, he doesn't want it to be skin, it's going to be low cut. Do you understand? Now you put your blade on low cut level by bringing the gel down, opening it, then you on your clipper. Make sure you sterilize the clipper. I've done that already. That's I'm not showing the part. Understand? I don't want this video to be too long, like I said earlier. Make sure you like, comment and share and subscribe if you are yet to be part of this family, because you are not going to regret it. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that we just upload. Do you understand? Now let's go. I'll put it on what? I've put it on low cut level. I brought the gel down. See, it's open, right? It's open. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how I'm going to be moving my hand. See, there is no how you take your time, relax, and watch this video from beginning to the end that you not be able to barb this haircut. Stop being in a haste that this video is too long, or maybe the teacher is talking too much. No, that means you are not ready to learn. If you are the type that the video is too long, that you are talking too much, that means you are the kind of barber that people like complaining that he doesn't know how to barb, you have not blending very well. Take your time. I told us that barbing requires patience. One, calculation. I need to be focused. Once you have these three things in you, you are a guru. Do you understand? Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how my hand is moving. It's not all teacher that will be explaining all this that I'm telling you. I don't want to keep short. If I'm following what people are saying that I are talking too much, I'll just keep mute, or I'll just stop teaching. But no, I can't stop that because 2 or 3 persons said that. I'll keep doing what I'm doing. If you like, watch. If you don't like, leave it. No one is forcing you. Do you understand? Let's go. Watch how my hand is moving. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I told us that the first guideline is not going to be skin, it's going to be low cut. And make sure you are brushing the hair down. Where you blend up, brush it down to see how smooth the place is. Do you understand? For our new subscribers and new watchers, please, you people have to bear with us, because my old subscribers don't understand everything that I told them about me not coming around this side to barb. Do you understand? This chair is not a rotatory chair, so I just want to just watch closely. Whatever you see that I will do here is the same thing that I will do to this side, but I'm not going to bring the camera to this side, because if I should bring it, it's going to be dark, it will not be clear. So watch here very well. Whatever I'm doing here is the same thing that I will do to this side. Do you understand? By God grace, when we get a rotatory chair, then I'll be rotating it. For now, let's manage what we have. I just want you to get the basics, to get the knowledge. Do you understand? Don't forget to subscribe. That is the main thing. Subscribe and turn your notification bell on. Share this video. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I will not be telling all these things. Comment anything you like. Comment something positive and share. Thank you guys. Let's go. Let's continue. And watch. Sometimes you know some people's hair is coiling. Those people that have natural sports wave, the thing used to affect their scalp. So even if you are raising it up, the thing will still be showing. You understand? So if the thing is showing like that, once you raise it up like this, you turn your hand downward, still put it on low cut, you still bring it like this, so that it will work, it will be smooth. So after you have created the first guideline, make sure take your time. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline now is going to be what? It's going to be what? It's going to be on step 1. The second guideline is going to be on step 1. So this is step 1 now. This is step 1. The second guideline is going to be on step 1. Why I told us to put it on skin, then put it on this step 1 is because we want this second guideline to still be the same level with this first guideline, because we are not going to make it to be like two taper fade, or do you understand what I'm saying? So we are going, everything is going to be the same level, but you are going to follow it step by step to do what, to get the same level with it. So as I was saying, we put it on skin because we want the level to be the same thing. Put it on skin, we put it on step 1, we create the second guideline. Sorry, this is tutorial purpose, that is why I'm taking it slow for you to understand it very well. And the way I mount my tripod is disturbing a bit. You see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You see, the thing still rhyme with the first guideline that we created. Can you see it? Because we want everything to be what? To be low cut, to be smooth, no lines, nothing. Now after you have created the second guideline, remember I told us that we should not let it to pass this line. Can you see? It seems as if I'm very accurate, right? But nobody is good. We are all learners. Nobody is perfect. So after you have created it, finish the third guideline and the finishing of the blending, you put it, leave it on this step 1. Oh, just bring your gear down. Just bring the gear down. Once you bring it down, it will be on what? On low cut. See how I'm flipping my clipper. See the way my hand is moving. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how I'm flipping it up. That's why I told us that you must know the basics. How to move your hand. How to see what I'm doing now. You see the way it's going like this. It's going like this, right? If I put it like this, you start creating line. Do you understand? If I put it like this, it will start creating line. But as I'm doing it like this, I'm flipping it up. Do you understand? It will not create line. Watch it very well. Make sure you are brushing it. Can you see? We are not yet done, but the blending is coming out small. Can you see it? Can you see it? After you have done it, finish like this, you turn your clipper downward like this. And make sure, remember this, I told us in my previous video that whenever you put step 1 and you want to blend hair, use your finger to hold the step 1, because if you not hold it and this step 1 pull off, the hair is going to chop instantly. It's going to chop. So you have to use your finger to hold it. Do you understand? This is a very big secret that I'm telling us. Use your finger to hold it. You blend it like this. Can you see that I'm not putting my hand inside? I'm only blending the tip. Can you see it? Hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Yeah, I man this tripod there is disturbing me, but hope you are getting what I'm doing, guys. Remember, I don't want this video to be too long. After you blend it down, finish. Watch what I'm doing. After you blend it down, finish like this, you turn your hand upward again. Still put it on low cut level. Don't forget, still put it on low cut. You still flip it up. You see, I'm not going up. The tip that I blended down, you see what I'm doing? You still bring it down so that you smoothing it very well. Can you see it? Hope you are seeing it. So after you have done this, finish, you put it on skin. Bring the gear upward, put it on skin, because we want to clean this line.